Welcome back to the KOAM Morning News, and again, our good friend Charlene Patton joining us from Topeka, the Kansas Soybean Commission. Welcome back to the show. Some incredible, healthy summer recipes. One of the big things has been the thrill of skill. We're getting kids involved in the kitchen. Summer school doesn't always cover everything. Not all kids go to summer school. They need something fun to do where they don't even realize they're learning, and this has been a great program so far.
I love it, and they can go to our website, and there's the link to the thrill of skill, but if they call our office for the recipes, Megan's going to include one of these. It starts out at age 2 and then goes clear to their teenage years with ideas and suggestions. This recipe is a great one for really kids of all ages, because what we're going to do is layer, it's called a rainbow fruit bowl.
Okay.
And we're just going to layer fresh fruits from the summer. And if we have a fruit that's missing that your family loves, add it in.
Okay.
And I put these on display here because it's kind of fun that you could use different containers and make individual ones, or you can put it all in a bowl and layer it. So you're going to start here. We have blueberries, watermelon, oranges. Which do you want to start with?
I tell you what, I was looking at this because we want it to look really good. I think we're going to go up this way and come back down this way because I don't see anything here that I don't like. So that's that's fantastic.
All right, so this is oranges, and you can use oranges. Have the kids peel oranges. This is actually mandarin oranges that I'm using. And then you've got watermelon next. Great. We'll put that in there. And I'm just going to kind of push it to the edge of the bowl. And you could I made little squares with this, but you could do different shapes. Okay, blueberries, love that. We'll add that. It's already looking colorful, isn't it?
It is.
Now we've got strawberries that are you going to add strawberries or the cantaloupe?
Let's do cantaloupe because we've got some red right down there, so we want to put some separation.
And you can see with the cantaloupe, I actually used a melon baller. Kids would love to do that, and made circles, little balls with all that. Then you've got the strawberries, and we washed, of course, all the fruit to start out with, and then these I made cut them in half. Okay, and now you've got our blackberries. Oh, great. Oh, isn't that pretty? You can see that.
That is so much color.
All those layers, yes.
Looks incredible.
Now we have a dressing that's going to go over this. I love to just mix the ingredients together and then pour it on at the last minute. And you don't have to use very much. But we have 1/2 cup of honey that's in there, and then we're going to add lemon juice and vegetable oil.
Okay.
Vegetable oil is our soybean product, and then we mix that together and then just drizzle that on top of it. How about that?
All right.
And again, make it all in a bowl if you want to, or I love this to do the individual servings and show how colorful it is. Talk about a healthy dessert for summer.
Oh, absolutely.
This will do it.
And kids love fruit.
Yes, they do.
Fresh fruit is always fantastic. So, of course, if they do want this recipe, the thrill of skill, anything else we've covered this month, what do they need to do?
They need to call our 800 number, 877-KS-SOYBEAN. And you can also go to our website, but Megan will send you all the recipes for June. She'll send you the soy crayons that we're giving to kids free. So send activities that they can do at home and the recipes.
Excellent. Charlene, thank you so much. And of course, this will all be on our website as well later this morning at KOAMNewsNow.com. Charlene, again, thank you so much for coming down. And we will be back with more of the KOAM Morning News right after this.